Here are the 6 best humidifiers for coolness your home.
Number 6.
Oasis Cool Mist Humidifier, quiet ultrasonic humidifiers for bedroom and large room. About this item. Want to eliminate the suffering from the terrible effects of dry air? No need to struggle with cheap, flimsy, and leaky desk humidifiers. This quality ultrasonic humidifier is the one you're looking for. It pumps relief immediately and effectively. Feel better in minutes. Operates in total silence, sleep like a baby. No humming, whistling, or crackling as this durable whole-house humidifier steadily and efficiently dispenses the soothing cool mist you crave. Sleep better, breathe better, live better. You'll wish you found this years ago. Multiple mist settings plus 360-degree rotating nozzle. This humidifier was created with you in mind. Your environment, your needs, and your preferences. Designed with a super simple control dial and 360 degrees rotating nozzle so that you can fully control and customize the mist output and mist flow direction. Automatic shut-off, no need to babysit this humidifier. We know you'll want to shut this off before the tank runs out. Rest assured you can set it and forget it. 2.2L extra large water tank, filter-free, features a lifetime warranty. Made with an impressive 2.2L super large water tank that keeps your room humidifier right on chugging for over 24 hours on a single fill.
Number 5.
Weightdrop Cool Mist Humidifier Diffuser, 2.5L Essential Oil Diffuser, Top Fill Humidifier for bedroom, home and office, baby humidifier with adjustable mist output. About this item. Humidifier and diffuser 2-in-1, fill your room with your favorite essential oils, while enjoying the humidifier's cool mist. Top fill design, remove the lid to add purified water directly into the water tank. The 15 centimeters wide opening allows easier filling and cleaning. Tips: recommend to clean the tank once a week for a better user experience. Adjustable mist out, adjust the mist output by rotating the dial knob, so convenient and precise. 2.5L, 0.66 gallons, capacity. The water tank offers up to 30 hours of relaxing time on the lowest setting and up to 12 hours working time on the high setting. Auto Shut OFF, don't worry about dry running when you are sleeping, since its auto-off feature will provide better protection for you.
Number 4.
Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier, small to medium rooms, vaporizer and warm mist humidifier for baby and kids' rooms. The Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier provides soothing, warm moisture and a calming environment. During cold and flu season, when allergies kick in, or the air is simply just dry, you can rely on this adult, kids, and baby humidifier, which can also be used with Vicks Vapo Steam for medicated vapors. Vicks humidifiers for bedroom, baby nursery, kids' room and beyond add necessary moisture to the air and help ensure proper humidity levels in your home. Indoor humidity levels between 40 to 60% can help relieve cough and congestion, keep throat and nasal passages hydrated, temporarily relieve dry air discomfort, protect furniture, reduce static electricity and even keep plants healthier. This Vicks humidifier is ideal for medium to large rooms, and is quick and easy to use and clean. The wide tank opening offers easy filling and cleaning. With a 1-gallon tank, you can enjoy warm mist for up to 24 hours on the lowest setting, or utilize the auto shut-off.
Number 3.
LeftWeight Humidifiers for bedroom, large room and essential oil diffuser, ultrasonic quiet cool mist for baby. About this item. Perfect humidifier for bedroom, with a 4L larger water tank, humidify your room for up to 5 nights. Enjoy your carefree bedtime. Humidifier and diffuser 2-in-1, add your favorite essential oils to the aromatherapy tray to spread relaxing aromas along with healthy humidity. Add fragrance to your Christmas. Whisper quiet and safe, with whisper quiet and all lights off, we will help you to create an undisturbed good sleep. The humidifier will automatically shut off when water runs out. Perfect for your babies. Humidify your every corner. With dual rotating nozzles and up to 300 milliliters per hour mist output, enjoy the moisture from every corner at home. Easy to clean, the water tank's large opening and rectangular shape, which can be directly put in the sink, help you conveniently wipe down the interior of the humidifier. Customize your mist. Select your preferred cool mist level with simple one-touch control. Create the ideal indoor climate for the nursery, large room, and plants room.
Number 2.
LeftWeight humidifiers for bedroom, large room, home. Cool mist top fill essential oil diffuser for baby and plants. Rapid humidification and humidity setting. Quiet sleep mode. About this item. Powerful and upgraded Christmas gift. The unexpected 4 times faster humidification speed lasts up to 60 hours, and the covering is up to 505 square feet. You can also use the app to customize the humidity so that it adjusts automatically without worry. Best humidifier for bedroom, lying in bed, using the app or Alexa to control settings, the humidifier will raise RH 12% in 30 minutes. Enjoy the soft night lights, and the sleep mode will give you an optimal sleep humidifying environment. Better smart care. Simply use the free VSync app to control settings anytime and anywhere, create schedules, etc. And the auto mode will maintain the room humidity at the healthiest humidity level in you. Plants need it. In addition to the most basic plant humidification, it offers you more comprehensive plant care programs, including scanning recognition, more professional encyclopedias, and specialized custom plant management. Convenient top-fill design. The large opening makes refilling and cleaning the tank easy. Enjoy the convenience of a zero-leakage designed product. Relaxing aromatherapy. You can add your favorite essential oils to the aroma box and enjoy wonderful, fresh-smelling air. Satisfaction guaranteed. Experiencing issues? Our California-based customer support team is here to help. If your product is defective, don't worry about shipping it back. We will send you a replacement right away.
Number 1.
Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Quiet air humidifier for bedroom, nursery, office, and indoor plants. About this item. Instant dry air relief. Ultrasonic cool mist technology safely and quickly moisturizes dry air for up to 25 hours of continuous operation in medium to large rooms up to 250 square feet. Powerful mist output with high and low settings makes this humidifier ideal for bedrooms, baby nurseries, office, and indoor plants. Year-round comfort. High and low speed settings combined with a 360 degrees mist nozzle help you consistently balance and regulate the humidity in your home all year long for relief from congestion, coughs, cold-like symptoms, allergies, dry skin, and sinus issues. Encourage restful sleep. Easily run the humidifier overnight to maintain a healthy humidity level in your space. The optional night light offers a soothing glow, while the whisper quiet operation ensures you can sleep peacefully without any disturbance. Easy fill tank and auto shut OFF. The sleek and transparent 1.7-liter water tank is easy to fill right from your kitchen or bathroom sink, and the compact design doesn't take up too much tabletop space. Plus, the automatic shut-off feature turns the humidifier off when the water level is low or the tank is removed. 5-year warranty. This BPA-free humidifier comes with an AC power adapter, disc cleaning brush, and Pure Enrichment's guaranteed 5-year warranty. Our customer support team provides quality service and peace of mind to millions worldwide, all from a brand you can trust.